Hey, this is Dale with Medigap Supplement Headquarters, and today's topic is HMOs, or also known as Health Maintenance Organizations. And HMOs are widely used, or primarily used in Medicare world, in Medicare Advantage plans. Medicare Advantage plans use HMOs. They contract directly with doctors. HMOs require you to list a primary care physician. It goes on your insurance card, and that primary care physician is responsible for coordinating care through all of your specialists. So HMOs are the design there is to on preventative health. Generally speaking, they want you to go see the doctor at least once every 6 months. And sometimes every quarter, depending upon what your medical needs are. And the HMOs are very popular because they have low copays, and in the state of Florida, and they also have, in some instances, they also have other incentives, like they'll have rebate programs or buy downs for their different plans. So a lot of people are attracted to the HMOs to get some help, get some relief on their Part B premium. Part B premium being $148.60. There are plans out there that'll pay up to a certain amount of money towards the Part B premium. And we get into plan-specific information. We'll go through that. But that's HMOs, health maintenance organizations, always require referrals to specialists. There are only limited amount of exceptions to that, like a chiropractor or a podiatrist, which is self-referral situation, or the eye doctor or the dentist. Those are self-referral, where you don't need a referral from your primary to go see those type of doctors. And if you're seeing this on YouTube, you can go directly to my website at medicareplans4us.com.
Thank you for watching this video. There's more to learn from our library of resources on the website medicareplans4us.com. The link is in the description box below. If you would like to learn how you can get your questions answered by our Medicare specialists at no cost to you, click the link in the description box to get started today. Visit the description box for more tips on cutting your out-of-pocket Medicare costs from the Medigap Supplement Headquarters,